Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Bitcoin fall 0.4% against the dollar. The ROC's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil dropped 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The International Monetary Fund expects to further cut its forecast for global economic growth in 2022 next month, an IMF spokesperson said, following moves by the World Bank and Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development to cut their own forecasts this week. Custodia, the Bitcoin bank formerly known as Avanti, is suing the Federal Reserve for patently unlawful delays towards the bank's application to become a master account under the central bank, according to a report from Forbes. The British pound had a volatile trading session, ticking up marginally against the dollar and rising against the euro, as markets digested news the ECB is getting ready for a series of rate hikes.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Finland's current account will be released at 0500 hours GMT, Spain's consumer price index at 0700 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1400 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.